everyone, welcome back to an electrical video. Exciting couple days here. So I'm probably not gonna go over yesterday, I'm just gonna go over what I worked on today. I did work on like an MC box and re-feeding the bonding wire. I might show you that, might not, but anyways, skipping that for now. Worked on this in this room after that for the rest of the day. So I went ahead and I strapped that old pipe over there just to kind of level it out, make it look straighter. And then I worked on bending this pipe right here, this 90-90, which actually turned out perfect to my measurement. And then I just did a couple box offsets, so that pumped me up. And then got this other pipe right here with a box offset, 3-point saddle box offset right there. So that turned out pretty good. As you can see, there's a 3-point box offset. So that turned out all right. And then 90'd out there. The top went over the top of those two 90s right there, right along the top of the block before it disappears or stops at the ceiling. And I kicked it down to avoid these four pipes right here, and then a box offset into there. And then from there, I also piped up out of there, offset 90, and then box offset there, set a box. One is going down to here, and then the other one is going across the ceiling, 90, and going down to here. This is gonna go outside the wall. Don't have the right part for it. It's gonna be a little 90 LB, pulling L, is what they call it. So probably have to cut a teeny bit off of that, and then gonna stick a pipe or something through the wall right there, or just wire. So we'll see how that works. And then also piped out of this box, 90, whatever that is, I don't know. I don't even know what to call that. Kind of like a 45-45, but it's like a 30-30. And then I guess would that be an offset? I don't know. I still can't think. Yeah. Anyways, skipping that, going straight, and then going into this box over here. So this is going to be like a bell, a fire alarm bell on the outside of the building from the firebox over here, and then also a compressor circuit, I think. I'm not sure, like an air compressor or something to do with the fire alarm. And then over here, I can't even remember what these are for. But anyways, that's what I worked on. So just lots of 1/2-inch piping. So I'm just trying to take my time and do it right and make it look good. So pretty happy with the way it's been turning out so far. And then I think that's actually all of the pipe that I have to do in here, as far as I know. I still have a bunch of other tasks to do upstairs on the 2nd, 3rd, and 4th floor. So just taking care of the things on the 1st floor here. Still have some other things to do. So I might go show you that here in a second. But as far as that, just got to pull the wire through there. Probably have to maybe finish that if I get the part on Monday for that. Pull the wire through there, and there. Oh, I actually do have to pipe a little heater right down, just a little 90 box offset 90 offset into a heater. The people aren't here, the heating people that have those. So those are either locked up in their room or not. So anyways, I'm gonna go maybe show you something on the way back, and then head home. So anyways, guys, that should do it for in here. All right, so here's the wire that I have to take out. There's an MC wire coming out of there. I did not have the straps as well, but mounted this box. The box is staying, the wire's coming out. And so basically I had the wire here, set a box, but the box has to come down, and I need to re-pull the wire and just leave a coil of wire here for something in the bathroom. It's gonna be a hard lid, so that needs to come back out. And then also I was drilling a hole right here, drilling a whole bunch of holes right here on Thursday, just drilling a whole bunch of holes through some stuff that has to be, need to get some access. So the back of that's going to be covered. The back of that's going to be covered with, it's going to be furred out, so it's going to be, you're not going to be able to see it. So I'll explain that more later. All right, guys, like I was saying, they're going to fur the wall out. They're going to put some metal strips on there and put some sheetrock on it. So there's going to be a void where the hole is coming through the back of the box. So it's just going to be a quick and easy way to get out of the box that's already in a concrete wall or block wall So just a way to get out of the box into the other side of the wall or into the doorway. I forgot where it's going, but just a way to get out of the box real quick. So anyways, that should do it, guys. Appreciate the kind things most of you said, and I'm just gonna leave it at that. And appreciate the support as always. Looking at a few cars, so I'll keep you posted on that. Might drive over to the house in a little bit and get some gas in the Corvette, and gonna go on a weekend trip with some friends, so that'll be fun, get my mind off things. Definitely a little sore today. My neck's kind of stiff. That's about it. My back does hurt a little bit more than usual, but other than that, I'm pretty okay, so still thankful for that. And that should do it, guys. Thanks for watching. I appreciate it as always. And if you enjoyed the video, make sure to hit like. It would help me out, and subscribe. See you guys back here probably Monday, and have an awesome rest of your weekend. Stay safe, please. And yeah, maybe I'll do a drive-by on Sunday at the house, so stay tuned for random videos maybe. Anyways, guys, check the description for anything else, and hit the notification bell if you want to be notified when I do uploads or live streams. Thanks, guys. Peace out.